It's like the story of the elephant, the baby elephant. If you tie it to a tree when it's little, it's stuck. It can't do nothing. It's like, oh, I'm stuck to the tree. If an elephant grows up from a baby to an adult chained to the same tree, the elephant is not going to realize I'm bigger than that tree now and I can rip it out the fucking ground. All the elephant knows is I'm powerless to the tree. I have to stand here on this rope. I can't go nowhere. The whole thing the elephant's going to have to go through is all mental from that point. The elephant don't realize it's free. Your mind, you will never realize you're free if you don't set yourself from that mental trap.